This video is a supplement to the instruction manual. Read the R500.E241A manual first and refer to it while servicing your gauge. Copies of the manual can be found at the Clark Reliance website. Clark Reliance requires the use of OEM parts for all repairs on this product in order to protect the warranty, maintain plant and personnel safety, and maximize reliable operation. We're going to show how to install replacement part number PW87B modules on P4000 and P4100 gauges. If you have a P3000 or P3100, there's a different video. Please contact us or go to our website for more information. You'll need a calibrated torque wrench with a 1 7/8" socket, special pliers, 2 types of lubricants as shown or their equal, a 1-inch diameter stainless steel shank-mounted brush mounted on a drill, rags, and a small brass brush. Before touching the gauge, shut off the steam and water gauge valves. Open the drain valve to relieve any pressure. Using a 1 7/8" socket, remove the packing nut from the gauge body. Using the special pliers, remove the old glass module and the gasket. Discard the old glass and the gasket as recommended for all glass gauge repair applications on or off the boiler. Thoroughly clean the inside of the module using a stainless steel wire brush. Wipe the recess to make sure the bottom is perfectly clean and smooth. Proper cleaning of both male and female threads is a major concern and is essential. Rusted threads may give you a false torque reading when you reassemble the gauge. Inspect the gasket surface, that is the bottom of the recess. If the surface is cut or gouged, you must replace that part of the gauge body. Contact your local Clark Reliance representative for further assistance. Wrap the nut open side down to dislodge the spring retainer and Belleville washers. Save the spring retainer. Clean the 2 Belleville spring washers. Inspect them for cracks, pitting, or corrosion. If the washers are damaged, they must be replaced because the spring function is critical. Use the brush on a drill to clean the threads in the packing nut, followed up by the brass brush. If any threads are damaged, the packing nut must be replaced. Relubricate both washers with the nickel-based anti-seize. Nest the Belleville washers together and put them into the nut, convex side towards the threads. Install the spring retainer, making sure it is fully seated. Slightly lubricate with the copper-based anti-seize. Use the brass brush to clean the body threads and wipe them with a rag. Lubricate the body threads with the copper-based lube. Place the new gasket in the body. Make sure the red side goes against the gauge body. The gasket is custom engineered with an exclusive cushioned spiral wound design to maximize mica life. Place the new glass module in the body. Reliance uses V1 grade 30mm mica, the best available, to extend gauge life. Align the lugs and make sure the dimples on the new glass module are not aligned with the slots. Finger tighten the packing nut. Use a calibrated torque wrench to tighten the nut in 3 steps. First, 40 foot-pounds. Then wait 5 to 10 minutes. Second, 60 foot-pounds. Then wait 5 to 10 minutes. Last, 80 foot-pounds. Do not go from finger tight to 80 foot-pounds in a single step. Before replacing the viewing hood, Make sure that the viewing side of the gauge body is angling to the left. Once all the nuts have been properly torqued, the gauge can go back in service. Hot torquing is not required for the P4000 or P4100 series. OEM Simpliport replacement parts can be ordered directly from Clark Reliance or may be obtained from your local Clark Reliance sales or service center to keep your equipment in top performance for longer service.